Souvenirs around the world. What souvenirs can you buy on holiday? You can find different souvenirs around the world. Here are some popular souvenirs you can buy. This is a hat from Mexico. It is a sombrero. Sombreros are very common in Mexico. Sombreros are nice souvenirs you can buy in Mexico. You can see sombreros in souvenir shops in Spain too. But these hats are originally from Mexico. These are matryoshka dolls. They are from Russia. They are a set of dolls, one inside the other. The outside doll is big, but the inside doll is very small. This is a teddy bear. It has got a tartan scarf from Scotland. Tartan cloth is very popular in Scotland. You can see it on kilts. This is a mug. It has got the flag of the United States of America on it. The US flag has got stars and stripes. You can buy a t-shirt with the US flag on it too. This is a keyring. It is Big Ben, the clock tower. You can see Big Ben in London. You can buy lots of nice souvenirs in London. This is a leather yurt house. Yurt houses are traditional homes in Kazakhstan. This is a souvenir you can buy there. Traditional musical instruments like the dombra are also popular souvenirs from Kazakhstan. What souvenirs can people buy in your country? Are they like these souvenirs?